Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable exclusive mode in the Tidal app on your Mac or PC. If you're trying to get the best sound possible, you're definitely going to want to turn this on. Alright, first, go ahead and open up the Tidal app on your desktop. I'm using a MacBook Air, so if you're on Mac, your screen's probably going to look like mine. Now at the top of the screen, click on the Tidal name in the menu bar. After that, go ahead and click on Settings. Once you do that, a new window is going to pop up. Right here, make sure you're in the General section, then scroll down until you see Sound Output under the Playback section. Nice! Now look at the Streaming Audio Output. By default, it's going to say System Default. You're going to want to click on that and choose your actual output device. Since I'm on a MacBook Air, I'm selecting MacBook Air speakers. Once you pick your device, you're going to see a new option appear right below it. Click on that tab and boom, there it is. You'll see Use Exclusive Mode right there. Just enable the toggle next to it. Now how does this actually work? So basically, Exclusive Mode lets Tidal take full control of your audio device. It bypasses system sounds and gives priority to the Tidal app. It's going to make a difference, especially if you're listening in hi-fi or max quality. Wow, that's it. You're all set for top-tier audio. If this helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you hit like. Want to see more tips like this? Go ahead and subscribe. And drop a comment if you got questions. I'd love to help. Catch you in the next one.